Multi-scene 3-in-1 welding machine. Alkaline welding rod welding. The ground wire is clamped to the negative electrode. The welding handle wire is plugged into the positive electrode. Turn on the machine. The ground wire clamps the base material. Clamp the welding rod in the holder. To start the arc, use the scratch technique to strike the arc. Move the rod along the weld joint and fill the crater at the end. Extinguish the arc and clean the slack. Welding done. Welding with flux cord wire, open the wire feeder door and the feed roller. Installing welding wire. Adjusting, connect the ground clamp to the positive terminal. Connect the external plug to the welding torch. Insert the welding torch into the negative terminal, ensuring it is secure. Disassembling nozzle, conductive nozzle. Press the welding gun switch to test the feeding wire. Install conductive nozzle splitter protective sleeve. Choose the appropriate flux MIG mode and adjust the current as required for your actual machine. Demonstration unit. MIG negative 250 dP. Adjust the feeding wire, preset our current voltage. Attach the ground clamp to the workpiece. Move the torch with your familiar technique to create a consistent and uniform weld. Release the torch switch. Welding complete. Argon arc welding. Connect the argon regulator to the machine's gas inlet with a hose securely and lock the connector in place. Ground wire clamps to the positive terminal. Tighten the welding torch to the negative terminal. Clamp the ground clamp to the workpiece. Install welding torch accessories. Weave the torch to form a quality weld bead. Lift the torch to terminate the arc. Keep the torch in place until the post-gas flow ends. Typically until the torch tip is no longer glowing red. Then withdraw it. Turn off the gas cylinder valve. Then pack the torch, ground cable, and all equipment into the case with a desiccant and seal it up.